You don't need to spend a fortune to get cutting-edge tech. I found this insane gadget for under 20 bucks. And honestly, it performs like something 3 times the price. Here's what makes it worth every penny. The build quality is surprisingly solid. It's got all the features you actually need. None of the bloated extras that jack up the cost. I've been testing it for 2 weeks straight. 0 issues. 0 regrets. If you're on a budget, this is the move. Links in my bio. You're welcome.
I spent $300 on a mic that sounds worse than this $50 one. And honestly, I'm not even mad about it, because here's what nobody tells you about microphones. That expensive mic was picking up everything: my keyboard, my AC, even my neighbor's dog. This one has a super tight pickup pattern, so it only captures what's right in front of it, which means cleaner audio with way less editing. And for content creators, that's literally the whole point. You don't need the most expensive gear, you need the right gear for how you actually work.
I spent $12 on lighting, and it looks better than my friend's $200 setup. I'm not even joking. The secret is this clamp light from the hardware store. You can grab 2 of them for like 10 bucks total. Then I just use daylight bulbs, which are maybe $1 each. I clamp one on my desk and one on my bookshelf behind me. It fills in all the shadows on my face without looking harsh. My friend bought this fancy ring light, and it just makes everything look flat. This setup gives you actual depth because you're using 2 light sources. Plus, if you don't like where it's positioned, you just move the clamp. Best $12 I've spent on my setup, honestly.
Hey creators, ready to level up? Introducing our premium green screen background. It's super portable, wrinkle-free, and designed for effortless setup. Achieve professional effects with ease. Transform your productions. Elevate your videos today. Get yours now.
जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, टाइम कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लाइफ के लिए, और यही टाइम पल पल बीतते जा रहा है। तो इसे बचाने के लिए हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा। और आप लोग चिंता मत कीजिए, आपके लिए मैं लाया हूँ एक ऐसी बुक जिससे आप टाइम बचाने के एक्सपर्ट बन जाएंगे। बस कमेंट में लिखिए DM, और मैं आपको उस बुक की लिंक DM कर दूंगा। तो टाइम बचाओ, ना कि गवाओ, क्योंकि टाइम एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो एक बार चली जाती है तो लौट कर नहीं आती।